Today we're going to support your tomato, organize your shed, and we're going to teach you how to grow things in small spaces on decks, patios, and anywhere around your house. So you don't want to miss any of it. Come join me. To start organizing your shed, you can start with your big long-handled tools. It's nice to get them off the ground. We have a great product. It's called the VELCRO Brand Extreme Outdoor Fastener. This is a good product to use on unfinished wood, concrete, or brick. It sticks to it really well. What you do is simply peel it back and just place it right up against the wood surface. It sticks really well. Then you want to take your tool and cut another piece of the VELCRO Brand fastener, peel that one back, and place that around your tool. Then you just place it up on the fastener and it holds. That easy. And when you need the tool, you just pull it off, use your tool. When you're done at the end of the day, you just place it right back on the fastener. To hang up hoses, you can use a VELCRO Brand one-wrap tie. Simply tie it around one of the pieces of the hose and then wrap it around your hose. This way it'll stay right together. Another product you can hang up are extension cords. Lots of people will hang them in their sheds or in their garage. Simply take a VELCRO Brand one-wrap tie, wrap it around one piece of the cord, and then bundle it all around there nice and tight. That way it'll stay together. And then you can just simply attach it to a VELCRO Brand Extreme Outdoor Fastener so that it's hanging up there and it's ready for you to use. What about watering cans? They end up just on the floor of your shed or your garage flopping around. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to hang up those too? You can with VELCRO Brand heavy-duty fasteners. You put one half of the fastener on the bottom of the watering can, the other half up on the wall. You place your watering can up there, and then it's stuck out of your way. When you're ready to go watering, you just grab and go. If you have an organizer and you want to hang that as well, a great product to use is the VELCRO Brand Alpha Lock Fastener. You see how we fastened one here on the bottom. What's nice about this is that as you squeeze that fastener, it actually snaps. And you can hear that snap, so you know you can have confidence that it's not going to fall down. Simply place it up on your fastener, push it in, and there you go. If you have hand tools that you want to place somewhere where you can see them and have quick access to them, use the VELCRO Brand one-wrap ties. These are good to just string right through the hand tool. And then using the VELCRO Brand Extreme Outdoor Fastener, you simply take the VELCRO Brand one-wrap tie and just attach them all the way across so that you have all your tools set up in just seconds. For garden stakes, especially ones that kind of have an irregular shape to them, try using the VELCRO Brand elastic strap. You just wrap it around, thread it through the buckle, then as you pull it, because it's elastic, you can cinch it really tight and gets really snug right up to the bamboo poles that you have, all the way around, and you have a very secure bundle. If you like fresh herbs, you want to preserve the flavor and the smell of them all winter long. You can dry your herbs really easily in a shed or garage. Simply take your herbs, cut them off, like this rosemary we have here, then using the VELCRO Brand garden ties and this handy VELCRO Brand garden tie cutter, you can simply wrap it around the stem of your herbs so it's nice and tight, and then hang them up on your door. This way they'll dry beautifully inside and you can store them for months and enjoy them all winter. Using VELCRO Brand garden products can make you a more successful gardener. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll be seeing you next time in the garden.